What's up, guys? Today we picked up probably one of the ugliest skis that you'll ever see from Facebook Marketplace. It's a 1991 550 SX, and I saw it pop up, but it was one of those ads on Marketplace where it has like, you know, when it's a really popular ad and it has like 30 saves. You can see how many people saved it. So I kind of was a little worried, so I sent him a message and he just ghosted me. But my good friend Alec, that was in previous videos, he has this skill where if somebody ghosts him on Marketplace, he'll annoy them until they respond, and he got a response out of the guy. So he sent me the address and I swooped in. It was kind of like the Barn Find Superjet, like same situation. And $600 on a double stand-up trailer. So yeah, let's take a look. I'm planning on selling the trailer for 300-ish, so we'll have a pink lightning for $300. But the story behind the ugly spray paint and how it's all spotted and it looks like it was in a fire, the guy said that he wanted it to look like it was in Mad Max. I don't know why. I don't really see his vision, but we're gonna try to clean it up. If we can't clean it up, then we're just gonna sand it down and paint it. But yeah, let's take a look. So here we are. It is a little crusty. I'm sorry if the wind noise is bad in advance. Lots of rust. Lots of rust. It is completely stock water box, nothing. I don't even think it has an impeller, but it's locked up, and I'm hoping that it's just the impeller. But let's kind of go around. The hood latch is broken. I'm not really sure what's going on here. It's like an onion. A little bit of damage. I don't know, maybe it was a repair. I'll have to see whenever I strip it down, but the first goal is to get it running, and then we'll kind of focus on everything else. No ride plate. Turf is pretty crusty. It's a clean little trailer though, I'll say. And it's a Reed motor. Can't beat it. Sat on this trailer for. Cool. So now I'll list this trailer and get some of my money back. Alright, so as you can tell, I am not in Texas anymore based off that. So I know it's kind of a mess because I really haven't done anything with my skis since I got here, but yeah, I moved to Colorado Springs specifically, and yeah, I just kind of haven't touched my skis since I got here. I mean, it's been so cold, I really haven't wanted to go and freeze my ass off, so skis have kind of just been sitting in here since the move. But yeah, if you guys are in Colorado, Denver area, hit me up so we can go ride. I need some riding buddies. I need to, you know, get back out there and get some content. But yeah, 550. I haven't had a project since I've been here. I mean, I was gone for a year and I've been looking, but I would say that the market here is not as good as Texas, so I've kind of been hurting looking for a project. I've seen a few pop up, but they just go so fast. But yeah, this thing, we're gonna make it into a little series, and I want to actually do this thing straight through. So yeah, that's another thing that I needed to address. So what I have here, it's all I have now. I sold everything else, so no more chicken, no more wave runner. All those projects kind of just took a back seat while I was gone. So this is where we're at now. I mean, I'd say I got the best of everything. I got the Superjet, the SXR, the Blaster, and an X2, and then now we got this little project. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna make it into a little series. First few are probably gonna be me just getting this thing running, seeing if it's locked up, what's wrong with it, and then from there we'll kind of move into making it look good. But yeah, that's a little update. If you're in the Colorado area, hit me up. Let's ride. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get back into it.